So hello, good day. So today we're going to integrate, or the integration by substitution. So we have a given here, the integration of 8x plus 1 over square root of 4x minus 3 dx. First, let us have let z is equals to the square root of 4x minus 3, and then by getting the x, we're going to cancel the square root, so the z will turn into squared equals 4x minus 3. Then the x will be z squared plus 3 over 4. After that, we're going to differentiate the x. So dx is equals to 1/4. The integration of z squared is 2z, and the integration of 3 is 0, so dz. Let's simplify this one. So 4 divided 2, so dx is 1/2 z dz. Then after that, we're going to plot the equation. I'll just put it here. So 8x, so the integration of 8, then the value of x, which is this one, replace it. So z squared plus 3 over 4 plus 1 times the value of dx, which is 1/2 z dz, 1/2 z dz over z, value of z. So cancel both z, and then cancel 4 and 8. So this will be 2. After that, we're going to factor out 1/2. Factor out the constant, which is 1/2. So what is left is we're going to distribute 2. So 2z squared plus 3 plus 1, it's 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1, that would be 7 dz. Next is the integration of these numbers. So 2z squared is 2z cubed plus 7z plus c. Going to distribute 1/2, so 1/2 times 2z 3, so 1/2 of 2 over 2, or 2 divided 2 is 1, so it's left with z cubed plus z times 1/2, it's 7/2 z plus c. And then replace the value of z, which is the square root of 4x minus 3. So this would be 4x minus 3 over 3/2, because this is a square root, right? So we're going to replace that into this form, plus 7/2 4x minus 3 1/2 plus c. So this is the final answer. another example, which is the integration of y cubed times the square root of 2y squared plus 1 dy. So let c is equals to the square root of 2y squared plus 1. So by cancelling the square root, we need to let z squared. So what's left is 2y squared plus 1. By getting the y, so this is y squared equals z squared minus 1 over 2. And then we're going to derive y squared, so this will be 2y dy equals 1/2 2z dz. Cancel, so 2y dy is equals to z dz. So next, we're going to move y, this will be y dy is equals to 1/2 z dz. Substitution. So since this is y cubed and we only have y squared in here, so we need to this will be y halves, so times the square root of 2y squared plus 1 and y dy. So y dy. Now we can replace y squared, so the integration of z squared minus 1 over 2, the square root of 2y squared plus 1 is z, and then the value of y dy is 1/2 z dz. So after that, we're going to simplify. So let's factor out the constant, which is 2 times 2 is 4. So the integration of z squared minus 1 is equals to z squared dz. Okay, since there are 2z in here. And then we're going to distribute z squared in here. So 1/4 the integration of z to the power of 4 minus z squared dz. So integrate 1/4 z over 5 z to the power of 5 over 5 minus z to the power of 3 over 3 plus c. Now let's replace let's distribute 1/4. So 4 times 5, that would be 20. Then replace the value of c, which is the square root of 2y squared plus 1. Square root of 2y squared plus 1 to the power of 5 minus 3 times 7, that would be 1 over 3 times 4, that would be 1 over 12 the value of c, which is the square root of 2y squared plus 1, and power of 3 plus c. We can also rewrite this one to 1/20, 2y squared plus 1, 5/2, minus 1/12, 2y squared plus 1/3 halves plus c. So this is our final answer.